Hi, Christine here with Living Water, and I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of a Japanese blueberry versus sweet Bay Laurel. Here we have a Japanese blueberry, which is a beautiful tree. It's non-fruiting. It doesn't actually bear blueberries. It's a Japanese blueberry. It's more ornamental. Everyone loves this tree in Las Vegas, and I can see why. It's evergreen. It's beautiful. It has this nice dark green leaf on it. But the downside to them is that they shed starting from March until about September. And I'm talking they shed a lot. It is an evergreen tree, but because of its growth habit, it will shed. So if you come with me down here, you can see that this is pushing out, making way for new growth. So you can see it does lead to quite a bit of mess. Now, on the other hand, a good alternative plant that gives you the same look of a Japanese blueberry, but with much less mess, almost zero mess, is a sweet Bay Laurel. Come with me and let me show you what that tree looks like. So this is a sweet Bay Laurel, which is one of my favorite trees or shrubs to plant in Las Vegas because it's virtually maintenance-free. It's fast-growing, and if you pluck off one of these leaves and dry it, you can throw it in your spaghetti sauce because this is Bay Laurel herb. Now, the reason why I love this tree over a blueberry tree is, as I mentioned, it's very low maintenance, fast growing, and it still does give you that dark evergreen leaf. It takes a little bit less water than a blueberry, and it's just overall a cleaner choice. Thanks for watching.